Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Map in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to have a visual force page that we can be able to add the Google API to it. So simply, I'm going to set up and then we need just to go to the visual force pages. So here I'm just going to type visual force and here we will find the pages and we need just to create a new one. You can give it any name that you would like. For example, I'm just going to give it map or anything. And basically now we need to paste this code as follow. So as you can see, this is the code that we would need for our Google Map API. So after that, we add all these epics page, etc. Now we need to start adding this code or this page to some kind of layout. And basically for that, we need to go to Object Manager. We can go to an account and simply we go to page layouts. And let's go to any page layout and for example, go and add a visual force page section. So from here, we need just to find some section for visual force pages and you need just to have them and then you can create a section for them and drag and drop to somewhere. You can do the same for anything that you would like having a new layout or just creating a new layout, etc. So for example, from here, you can do the same for any layout that you would like. So simply, we can also find we need just to find our visual force and you add it there. And basically by this, you will be able to start adding your components or visual force page into your layout. Thank you for watching and see you next time.